So peeps, as a Jamaican, I have come to the understanding that some persons, no matter how much you do, no matter how much you have done, and no matter what you have done to uplift the nation, they will remain cruel and absolutely ungrateful at the first sight of disappointment. We're seeing where, forget about the rest of the world, Jamaicans are saying that Usain Bolt faked his injury in the final at the 4x100 meter relay. I mean, how can you as a Jamaican national say that about the most famous Jamaican of all times, a man who has defended the honor of this country times and times again, a man who has fight blood, sweat and tears and made innumerable sacrifices to be able to represent this nation to the best of his ability. We need to lift our minds from out of the gutters. We need to elevate our thoughts, and we need to be positive in our thinking, and we need to be appreciative of the effort that these athletes give each and every time they go out in the Jamaican colors to represent this country. We see now where the greatest athlete ever has been trying to defend his honor and defend himself against those naysayers and dummies who are saying that he faked his injury. How can you do such a thing? Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Usain Bolt posted an X-ray photo of the hamstring tear that forced him to hobble out of his final race at the World Championships, only to delete it minutes later. Bolt, whose farewell from athletics did not go the way he had planned, with bronze in the 100 meter and a nightmare injury down the final leg of the 4x100 meter, has clearly been upset at some of the reactions following his relay run in London. The Jamaican posted 4 tweets on his official Twitter account, with 3 leading up to a photo of an X-ray proving the injury he sustained down the back straight of the relay final. So the first tweet would have read, "I don't usually release my medical reports to the public, but sadly I have sat and listened to people questioning if I was really injured." The follow-up tweet, "I have never been one to cheat my fans in any way, and my entire desire at the championship was run one last time for my fans." Followed up, "Thanks for the continued support, my fans, and I rest, heal and move on to the next chapter of my life. Love and love alone." Photo then confirmed his injury and further reiterated his point about having sustained a bad injury, adding that 3 months of rehabilitation were now required. Within minutes of posting the tweets, all 4 were swiftly deleted. The 8-time Olympic gold medalist has had a number of scans on the injury, which demonstrates that the damage was worse than initially apparent. The 30-year-old, who is the world record holder in both the 100 and 200 meters, has also had to pull out of a Manchester United Legends game against Barcelona at Old Trafford, scheduled for the 2nd of September as a result of the injury. Bolt had entered the 100 meter and 4x1 relays at the World Championship in a bid to end his illustrious career with 2 more gold medals, but sadly he ended up with just a bronze and a nasty injury. Sad.
Hey guys, not the way that I wanted in a championship, you know what I mean? But what can I say? I left everything out there on the track. I gave it my all, as always, worked my best. I'm here now, getting treatment. Eddie's doing the work.
Yeah, try to get by the champ up and ready again.
So that's what's going on right now. So I just want to thank everybody that came out to see, to support. I just want to thank you for everything, you know what I mean? Really appreciate it. So yeah, Deuces.
So peeps, I've even seen comments going as far as persons suggesting and intimating that the medical report and the x-ray were fake and pay doctors for write them things. I mean, how can people be so cruel and vicious and ungrateful? Why would Usain Bolt get a medical certificate and do an x-ray to suggest that he has a grade 4 hamstring tear? Grade 4, you know, peeps. Grade 4. You understand? Knowing that that may become public knowledge that it was not true in the future, and then that will question his honesty and his legacy down the road. Why would he do that? Some of the shallow-minded persons are saying that, okay, Anisha McLaughlin had a grade 2 tear and a wheelchair she have to come off in and Usain suffered a grade 4 tear and him get up and walk off of the track. Let me tell you this, man. This is how I look at it. The man is great even in the greatest disastrous moment of his career. The man get up, the man in a wheelchair thing, the man walk off of the track like a real soldier, a real Jamaican soldier. It shows the champion that the man is. It shows the mentality that the man has, and them people they for go away.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach.
Peeps, boy, I mean, I know the conditions were awful. Johan Blake, McLeod came out and said that they were in the car room waiting for over 45 minutes. You understand? The man suffered an injury. Why would Usain Bolt fake an injury in the last race of his international career? All he wanted to do was to cross that line healthy. You understand what I say? And for people to be making these casting these aspersions and making these assumptions, it really sad. You understand? And as I say, if it was just the international fans and media who were speculating those, you know, them be bad and not so bad. But at the same Jamaicans where the man represent day in day out and jump up halfway tree all over the place, boy, Usain Bolt, I make them statement there now. Oh, we're so ungrateful as a people. We need to do better. I'm going to leave by saying this. Even if Usain Bolt was faking that injury, Usain Bolt has gained the right to fake an injury. The man never did a fake no injury. You understand? What would that have benefited Usain Bolt? Eh? You don't need to go. And you know the sad thing, I did say me left, but I'm not ready for left. Some of us who are talking has never and will never do anything to represent our country. And enough of we not contribute nothing at all positively to this country, but we are chat off mouth about a man that has given his all for 15 years for the glory of this country. We need to stop it. You understand what I say? Jamaican heroes are treated better by persons who are not Jamaican than by persons who are Jamaican. Why? Eh? Come on, man. We're too backward thinking as a people. Lift up on our minds out of the gutter. As I say, elevate on the thoughts. You go boss. Big up yourself every time a general. We know say you don't need to do them something. You understand? You're bigger than them something. We hope so the man rehabilitation will be speedy and the time will be shorter than the 3 months that has been stated. And as you move on to the next chapter of your life, just continue to be yourself and not listen to the. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to do this. You don't need to apologize to. You don't need to post nothing to tell nobody, nothing to make them go and talk general. You done do it already. Big up yourself, youth. Newch, manners. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.